Students, today I'm going to complete Unit 8, Kindergarten. This is the second part, okay? Read with me. Mona is tall. Mona is tall. Mona was short. Okay? Again, Mona is tall. And in the past, Mona was short. Karim can play basketball. Karim can play basketball, but in the past, Karim couldn't play basketball. So our grammar today is about verb to be in present and in the past. We have verb to be am, is, are. Okay, verb to be am, is, and are. Am, is, are in present, but in the past we put was or were. Okay, and the negative of am is am not, and is not. The negative are not. Negative was not, and negative were not. Okay, also we have can in present. In the past we put could, and in the negative we put can't in present, and in the past couldn't. Okay, so exercise B, listen and repeat. When I was little, I could peel an orange. Okay, another sentence. When I was little, I couldn't peel an orange. Again, another sentence. When you were little, you could peel an orange. What about the negative? When you were little, you couldn't peel an orange. Okay? Okay, listen and repeat. We will make a sentence like this pattern. Like this pattern. When I was little, I could say the alphabet. The first sentence, first picture, we could throw a ball. Okay? So I'll say when. When we was or were. When we were. When we were little. When we were little, we could throw a ball. Number 2. You couldn't cut out a heart. So, when you were little, you couldn't cut out a heart. Number 3. He couldn't spell a word. When he were little, he couldn't spell a word. Again, when he was little, he couldn't spell a word. She could speak English. Okay, here, when she was little, she could speak English. When she was little, she could speak English. Number 5. I could plow a puppy. So the sentence will be, when I was little, I could plow a puppy. When I was little, I could plow a puppy. Number 6. When he was little, he couldn't catch a butterfly. Again, when he was little, he couldn't catch a butterfly. Number 7. He couldn't build a sandcastle. So I'll make a sentence using when. When he was little, he couldn't build a sandcastle. Again, when he was little, he couldn't build a sandcastle. The last picture. I could count to 10. I could count to 10. I'll make a sentence using when. So, when I was little, I could count to 10. Again, repeat after me. When I was little, I could count to 10. Read with me this letter, okay? Dear Adam, how are you? When you moved away, we were sad. We miss you very much. Do you miss us? Last Saturday, we saw Miss Dina. She was our kindergarten teacher. Do you remember her? Mona and I went to her house for lunch. She showed us old photos of our kindergarten class. She told us funny stories too. She said, when you were little, you could build enormous sand castle. And when you were in the sandbox at break, you never wanted to get out. Remember? Do you like Oxford? Oxford here is the name of his new school. Do you like Oxford? How is your new house? How is your school? Are you making a lot of friends? Please write soon. I'll read it again. Dear Adam, how are you? When you moved away, we were sad. We missed you very much. Do you miss us? Last Saturday, we saw Miss Dina. She was our kindergarten teacher. Do you remember her? Mona and I went to her house for lunch. She showed us old photos of our kindergarten class. She told some funny stories too. She said, when you were little, you could build enormous sand castle. Enormous here means very, very big. When you were in the sandbox at break, you never wanted to get out. Remember? Do you like Oxford? How is your new school? Are you making a lot of friends? Please write soon. Your friend Karim Ahmed. Okay? Answer this question with me. Who is Adam? He is Karim's friend. Was Miss Dina Karim and Mona's first grade teacher? Was Miss Dina Karim and Mona's first grade teacher? No, she wasn't. What did Karim do at Miss Dina's house? What did Karim do at Miss Dina's house? He and Mona ate lunch, looked at old photos, and listened to stories. Again, he and Mona ate lunch, looked at old photos, and listened to stories. The number 4, the last question. What could Adam do when he was little? What could Adam do when he was little? He could build enormous sand castle. Again, he could build enormous, as we said before, enormous means very, very big. Enormous sand castle. Okay? Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. When I was little, I space blow a bubble. When I was little, this sentence in the past, so I'll choose could. Number 2. In the past, I could space a bike. After can or could, we put the verb infinitive, and the bike here we put the verb ride. Okay, I could ride a bike. Last Saturday, we space Dina. Last Saturday, this sentence in the past, so we will choose so. Number 4, the last one. Space is your school. It's fine. So the answer will be how. How is your school? It's fine. Okay? Thank you for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye and good luck.